shit was sweet till we popped up and popped off the top of your mystic.
Nah, I don't. So we woke up. This boy has a cup on his hand. What is that?
It's coconut.
I did not trust me. Day 2, crazy. We about to go out, get some food first, and then go probably do some ATVs. Man, crazy. Y'all need to come to Costa Rica, check it out yourself. There's a lot, but I can't talk. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot of things. What did we say when we get here?
What happens in Costa Rica stays in Costa Rica.
You have to share your experience, right?
Yeah, through Instagram.
No, okay, Joe.
Don't bring them here.
Don't bring them in.
Whatever happens here stays here.
That's what we all say, bro. We can't disclose everything. Y'all need to come down.
Okay, ready, let's go.
What are you saying, Marcus? This thing is coming out just fine.
Yeah, we might go. If you want to stand there for 20 minutes, go.
Oh my god. Bro, fresh coconut is different.
Twist in the kitchen, whipping up.
The rain just made it spatial.
Crazy.
Woo!
Bro, in the beginning, oh my god.
Yo, let's go. The rain just made it spatial. Let's go.
I love it.
Hey man, we made it to Costa. We're literally in the middle of the rainforest, bro. And
Niggas are wet. We out.
that's my boy Magnus. We outside, boy. My boy Joe.
Holy Macron. Where we at?
Oh man, I want to go all the way up here, but
Where we at? We can't go because it's slippery.
it's slippery, yeah. Woo! Man, this is exactly why I came to Costa Rica. Being in the damn rainforest. Oh, it's slippery, it's slippery. This is crazy. Yo, oh my god, I love this. Woo.
Bro, don't go kill yourself though. This man is swimming like 1,000. Go 1,000. Bro, how you gonna come down?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no! At that moment he knew he fucked up. You stuck? Hey, we want to leave. We'll see you later, okay? Bro, hurry up, stop being a little bit, bro. Y'all tripping, man.
Let me see the vlog, man.
Oh.
Right now, we're on top of this mountain. I don't know exactly where I'm at, but as you can see, it's very hilly out here. We have the ATVs with us. We bought it all the way out here. Having a good time, man. I love it.
twist in the kitchen whipping up.
Hold on. This man bleeding. So Magnus, what happened to you, bro?
So I flipped over the ATV.
You flipped
coming down real fast, and then it's a turn. I try to turn, and the wheels like popped to the side, and I saw it. I saw it about to I literally jumped off the ATV because I knew it was gonna flip over.
Flip over?
Yeah.
You jumped?
I really jumped over, and when I fell, I seen it rolling, so I rolled a little bit more.
A little bit more, bro. Because I was literally. I saw that they literally have some souvenir from Costa Rica. You know what I'm saying? You'll never forget that. So because the thing is I was literally going right behind the guy. I literally wanted to pass the guy. I was speeding, and then we got there. It's yo, it's just you and I. Where's everybody else? We look, nobody's coming behind, and I'm like, wait, hold on. I hope it's not Joe. No. I really thought it was gonna be Joe. I'm like, oh my god.
Joe almost fell. He almost flipped.
Yeah. You almost flipped.
Mine was at the top.
Yo, you almost fell off the hill. I was there the whole time. I really thought it was you.
No, mine happened at the top.
You didn't flip though. You almost flipped.
Yeah, mine was
almost flipped.
Mine would have been worse because that was the
Yo, if you ate something before, that weight would have
I did.
But what about as we were going, when the rain started, and then the road became slippery. The road became slippery.
If we did it and it didn't rain, I'll be
that would have been okay. That would have been okay. With the rain, it was so nice.
It's better because this time there was no sun going in my face because my goggles was in
You got bro, my visor, I'll pop it on and pop it off. Had a good time. Dude, this definitely was the best part of Costa Rica. I wish we did it on my birthday, but I'm glad we did it on the rain.
Hey.
I'm glad. No.
Okay. Between yesterday and today.
Today is the best. Today.
Okay.
I wish we did it on my birthday, but we didn't even know the city. We didn't even know anything yesterday.
Okay, let's see the nighttime. We can't fully. Yes, we have to see the nighttime for today. Yesterday nighttime was great, but let's see today. Maybe today will be better.
Okay.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. Nothing eventful happened that y'all need to know.
keep that off the camera. Hold on.
No disclosure.
Oh shit! I was literally standing on somebody else's car. I thought it was our car the whole time. Yo, pop the trunk. You got the key though. Wait, what the fuck? I didn't even open it like that. Man, this was crazy. Literally the best time in Costa Rica. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, this was crazy. I was up there oh my god, look what's going on out here.
Scott, ziplining, hopefully that's good. I don't know how that is. that cool?
It's gonna be okay, but like I feel like there's nothing that's gonna top what we just went through. Yeah. Especially you having the souvenir. I don't think there's nothing that would top that. Huh? Nah, dude, no. I was really smart about it. I was actually playing with the brakes sometimes, and sometimes I was.
You know what I told you? I was like, I was trying to learn how to shift, like, not shift, like
drifting.
Drift.
I was asking what you have the damn key in your bag. That's what I've been telling you.
I was trying to learn.
That's what I'm saying. You did. That's what I'm saying. But there was nothing in it, so we good.
I was trying to learn how to drift, and I thought I could drift on that turn actually.
You tried to do it on the turn? You tried to do it on the hardest turn. Who does that?
But I was doing it successfully. But yeah, that turn was too
too curvy. Yeah, you don't. On the curve, you just have to brake and slow down, bro. Unless you're a professional.
I learned the hard way.
Except you and I, so. Man.
I still need my last one.
I need my last one. Yeah, I might need to get a. Look how dirty we are. Like, stop with that beer, man. Look how dirty, especially me. I'm actually dirty as hell. Look at me. Crazy.
I just
Wait, oh shit.
Yeah, like look at that. Bro. Souvenir. Hey, put some alcohol in it.
I love it.
Put some alcohol in it.
Yeah, bro. Oh, I'm like, I thought we were still standing still.
Okay, Tupac. Yeah, looking like, dude. You look like Tupac, Joe.